Life insurance. What is it? How does it work? And do you need it? That's what we're going to be discussing today. When you Google the term life insurance, here's what you get. Insurance that pays out a sum of money either on the death of the insured or after a set period. Now, this doesn't tell us everything that we need to know about life insurance. So let's go into a little bit more detail and look at some key phrases and terms that you need to know before you buy life insurance. So number one, you have the insured. That's going to be the person that is buying the life insurance on themselves. Then you also have the insurer. That's going to be the insurance company that provides the life insurance to the insured. Then you also have what's called a beneficiary. This is the person that's going to receive the money whenever the insured, you, pass away. Now we also have another phrase called the death benefit, and this is just simply the sum of money that's going to be paid out on the death of the insured. So now that you know some basic terms about life insurance, let's go ahead and take a look at the different types of life insurance that you can buy. So there's really two main types of life insurance. There's what's called term, and then there's permanent life insurance. So term life insurance has a set period of time that you're going to be covered. It's typically 10, 15, 20, 25, and sometimes 30 years. So you're going to be covered for that period of time, and then when your term length is over, you're not going to have coverage anymore. So term life insurance is cheaper than permanent life insurance, but the downside is that the coverage is going to expire after your term length. On the other hand, permanent life insurance is designed to last until you die. So there's two types of permanent life insurance: whole and universal life. Now both of these have what's called a cash value, which is a separate account from your death benefit that is going to grow over time as you continue to pay your premiums. Now if you did decide to take out money from the cash value in your whole or universal life insurance policy before age 65, then you're going to be charged a 10% tax penalty, and you're going to have to pay back the money into your cash value because that's taking out a loan against the cash value. With permanent life insurance, the premium that you lock in whenever you buy your policy will be your premium forever, as long as you continue to pay on that policy and it never lapses. So now that you know the basics about life insurance, let's take a look at how someone might use life insurance to work for them. So let's say Bill needs life insurance to cover his funeral expenses, college tuition for 2 kids, and the remainder of his mortgage if he were to pass away before he pays it off. Bill's estimated costs are $15,000 for funeral expenses, $27,000 for college tuition for 2 kids, and he has $100,000 remaining on his mortgage. So that's a total of $142,000. So that means Bill needs at least $142,000 of life insurance, but you never want to be on the low side, so we'll just round that up to $200,000. We also know that Bill has 10 years remaining on his mortgage, and his kids will be in school for at least 10 more years. So that means that Bill will need a life insurance policy with a term length of 10 years or more. In this specific example, Bill would be advised to take out 3 separate life insurance policies: one for his mortgage, one for his kids' college tuition, and one for his funeral expenses. For his funeral expenses, he would need a permanent whole life insurance policy. And then for the life insurance for the remainder of his mortgage, he would want to get a 10-year term policy with a decreasing benefit. This means that the death benefit of the life insurance policy will decrease as Bill pays off his mortgage. Now the last policy, the one that will pay for his kids' college tuition, that can just be a normal 10 to 15-year term policy. So if you have any questions about life insurance, or you would like to know how to get started on the process of buying life insurance, then visit our website, foxbenefits.com. That's FOXX benefits.com. Or you can contact me directly at 304-988-5881, or on my email at john@foxbenefits.com. So thank you for watching.